In this video, I want to teach you guys, I want to give you a step-by-step that you can use. Imagine you know nothing about phone accessories. Imagine you just have this, you want to start this phone accessories, and then you don't have any ideas, you don't have anything, you don't know anything, literally nothing for you to get started. Well, I've got this video and I want to show you a step-by-step what you can do, what you can put in place, and how you can move on to start over this phone accessory business, right?
Karibuni customer wote mkuje Tanzania huko. Send them accessories.
Okay.
Let's share cheap price.
I've just talked to the owner of this shop and confirms to say they can send parcels to Malawi, they can send to Botswana, they can send to Zimbabwe. Like they have got channels that they use to send. So if at all you are in need of these other countries, please contact me and contact this supplier so that you get the stuff that you need.
In case you're wondering, my name is SIKA-The entrepreneur. I'm a former biology teacher. I left teaching to come and concentrate on this phone accessory business, and I've been learning the phone accessory business for 4 years. My main aim of creating this platform, YouTube channel, is actually to share my journey to you guys. I have seen success in my business, and I literally started with only 1,800, which is equivalent to $64. And right now, I am counting much more than that, which I call success. And the reason why I'm here is to show you the ways that you can do the same to succeed. The phone accessory business can be a very good business because it has this booming market. Think about this. Everyone is having phones. Everyone needs a charger. Everyone needs a cable. Everyone needs a lot of stuff. The first thing that you need to do is to choose your business model. Okay? So as you are there, you start over and say, okay, I want to start this business. Okay, fine. How do you want it to be? Do you want to start a retail business like myself? Me, I sell one by one. That's retail. Or do you want to start as a wholesaler? Okay? So you need to make sure that you come up with a model, because at some time it is very difficult to start both. Okay? But it is easy for you to start with one. Okay? So when you choose the model of a business, it is going to show you what you need to do, what you need to put in place for you to start over. Okay? But thinking you want to start something like me, you need to choose, okay, this is retail. I want to be selling one by one. I order, then I bring in my stock, then I sell to people. You need to know that. Okay? So make sure you make a decision. You decide. Okay? So the second step that you need to do is actually find the best accessories to sell. Find the best accessories to sell. Find. When I was starting over this, look at what happened. I could buy things that couldn't even sell. I could buy things that were not even supposed to be bought. Some of the things I just saw my young brothers coming over and they took them and all that stuff. Okay, so the first that you have to do, the second step you have to do is to actually find out those that are necessary. Okay, for example, I'm gonna give you those items that are on demand. If you have this that I'm going to list here, even if you don't have other stuffs, forget about them. But if you have this that I'm going to talk about, then you're home and dry. You're free to go and you can make money. Okay, so the first one you have to put in that has a lot of demand is a phone charger. Okay, so in a phone charger you need to put Type-C, you need to put a smart cable, and you also need to put iPhone chargers. Okay, so these are chargers that are really on demand. Everyone who's using a phone is charging. The reason why they are using your phone is because it's charged, and if it's charged, then it means there's a charger that is charging the phone. So chargers are on the first. You have to put them because they are on demand. Okay, the second thing is actually a glass protector. A glass protector. Everyone needs protection, guys. Everyone needs protection. When you buy a beautiful phone, the first thing that you have to do is to put protection on it. Okay, so that's why people want protection. So if at all that's what they have to do, then it means you need to give them the safety that they need, and the only safety that you have to give them is actually the screen protector, and that's what to give the safety to the people. Okay, so make sure you put protector there. Make sure you put phone covers. They're on demand. These, you can't imagine, these are the highest I have in stock. There are a lot of them. Okay, a day never passes without me selling this. So I'm selling them every day. Okay, so also those you need to put them there on demand. The other item on demand is USB cables. USB cables. Some people might be having these phone chargers, but they don't have cables. Okay, maybe the cables are buggered and all that stuff. Those are on higher demand. These are the only definition for phone accessories. You need to have those in stock. Okay, forget about all those others, forget about that. But in the meantime, if you got some of these things in stock, you have power banks, especially in Zambia where we have a lot of load shedding. You need such power banks in your shop. You need them a lot because they are moving out quickly. Okay, also you need these Bluetooth speakers. Let me show you one. These Bluetooth speakers, they are on high demand. Okay, so they are coming out. It's new technology that people have loved. Okay, so you need to get them also in your stock. Okay, they are moving out so quickly and so fast. Aside from these wireless speakers, you also need wireless headsets. Also those are moving out at a very faster rate. Okay, so those are the items. Make sure you have a good choice for items that you want to start with. Okay, and some of them are these that I've talked about. Okay, step number 3, source the products at a very good price. This is what you need as you start. You don't need to source for products that are very expensive. How are you going to make profits? And moreover, these people don't know about you. They don't know about you. So if they don't know about you and then you have these prices that are so insane, how would you expect them to know about you? The first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you source for products at a very good price. Okay, if you are in Zambia, where you can source good products on good prices is actually in Tunduma. Okay, in Tunduma you can source them. The reason why I talk about Tunduma is because that's my experience and that's what I can tell you. You need to buy from Tunduma if you're in Zambia. Okay, I'm telling you this because that's just my experience. Okay, so you need to source those good prices. You need to know where you're going to be buying those items. Okay, and in the same vein, I encourage you, as you are starting over with a small capital, don't rush to go and buy from China and all that. China is good, but it is nice when you've got larger capital. So it's such that when you send over items there, they will take time to come over, but that's okay because you have other stocks to sell. But if you send items and then they finish a month, then soon you will receive them. What is happening in your shop? If at all you don't have so much items, it means you'll be lagging behind with your business. So it's better you buy at least where you make an order today, tomorrow you receive an item. That's much better. And I've been making videos about this, telling people to say, I've made agreements with my suppliers to say we'll be sending items from different parts of the country. If you're in Zambia, well and good. Whatever part of the country you are, you can send over. And right now we are able to send to Zimbabwe. We are also able to send to Malawi. We can also send to Kenya. These are the places we can send to. Okay. Also looking forward, we are checking on the routes that we can use also to send to other parts of the countries that are surrounding Tanzania. So that's about it, guys. So make sure you have a good source where you are sourcing items, and we can help you. I can personally help you making up a budget for good items that you need. Okay. The problem is you want me to do those budgets for you for free. Why? So come over in my inbox. I'm going to teach you these are the items you need to buy. Then I'll also see you those that are better, and I send them over to you. That's simple. Okay, great. The other step that you need to sell smart. You need to sell smart. What I mean is simple. This time around, don't only sell products in your shop. The reason why you've met me today is because I chose to get my journey online. If I never did this, you are never going to do this. Right now, the family is growing and we are soon reaching to 2,000 subscribers. Why do you think that is happening? Because I made a decision to come online. This is what you need to do even as you are selling. When you come to my Facebook page, I'm actually posting whatever I'm selling. I'm posting. You need to turn to be smart. You need to be smart, guys. Okay? And being smart, it means selling items online using your smartphones, using your smart devices that you have. You need to use them so that people can know about you. Right now, people know about me from different parts of my country. Why? Because I'm always posting, I'm always sending. Those very friends you have on Facebook, make them as your friends. And sometimes it is good you boost your product so that you pay for adverts so that many people can also be able to view your products. That's what you need to do, guys, right? So that's about it. Make sure you sell smart. Okay, the other one, the other step that I see that we often overlook as we are starting our business is actually marketing and branding, especially on the branding part. The first thing that you have to do, you need to stand out of the crowd. Okay, remember, as you be launching yourself into this phone accessory business, it is a business that has a lot of competition, and the only way that you can stand out of this competition is when you're having a brand. Okay, my name has been known much more than other people. Why? Because I'm blending it, and when I've blended it, then I've sold myself, I've marketized myself. I'm able to send items to different parts of my country because I branded it. You're able to watch me because if I ask you, who are you watching? You are watching SIKA-The entrepreneur. You see that? Why that? Because that's my brand, SIKA-The entrepreneur. When people talk about SIKA, they know what I'm. When you just mention SIKA, they will know to say he sells phones, he sells accessories, he sells this and this. That's about it, guys. When I'm online, people see SIKA. What comes to their mind is what I do. Okay? So branding, I've seen a lot of businesses that have not gone so far because they have not branded themselves. Okay, they are just like any others. Okay, they make money and all that, but actually they can go further than that. So what am I trying to say? When you brand yourself, first make a logo. Okay, it will make you stand out. Choose a better business name. Okay, SIKA-The entrepreneur. It's so nice when somebody hears about it, they know what I do. Okay, when you check my logo on WhatsApp, don't put on WhatsApp you're putting your face. What, guys? No one is interested in what you're putting on your WhatsApp. You're putting your children. For what? As a business person, on my WhatsApp there's my logo. When you come over, you text me. If I say come on WhatsApp, text me, the first thing that you're going to see there is SIKA-The entrepreneur, the one you met on YouTube. You see my logo there. Why? We are trying to blend. Okay, that's what blending is all about. Right now, if I get my business logo and I post it online, people know what I do just looking at my business logo. So you see, that's about it, guys. You can be having good business and all that. Even if you've started right now, you don't have a logo, you have not blended your business, make sure you do it, because that's the only way you can get yourself out there to be known to the outside world. Okay, so mainly we lack these blending skills. We don't really blend our businesses. Okay, so that's about it, guys. Make sure you blend your business. Last but not the least, scale up the business. If you do all these up there, then what you need to do is to scale up the business. Scale up the business. How does one scale up the business? The first thing is to reinvest the profits that you have. This is what you need to do, guys. Mainly when we start making a little profit from our business, it is this trend that we want to make good life out of it, and you want to dance. Forget about that. In the meantime, you are building a business. Forget about clubbing. Forget about showering your money to women. Forget about all those stuff. What you need right now is the brand, and this brand that you are building right now, it requires you that you reinvest the profit. So when your business starts going nice, reinvest the profit. That's the first step to grow. The second step to grow is actually you put more products. Okay, so that very profits will tell you, okay, fine, so I have a phone cap. If you have all those vistas I talked about there, if you have them, then this will come when you're having a lot of profits. You put this there, you put this there. Even those products that are not there, you introduce them. That's how you expand the business. You expand the business by introducing new products. It doesn't necessarily mean you need to have a very big shop. No. Even just introducing new products within your shop, that is a one way. That is a way also of expanding your business. Okay, so you need to scale up. Don't stay at the same level. If all goes well, you have a lot of capital, then you need to start importing items from China and all these other parts of the countries, other parts of the world, so that you now capitalize on the profits. Okay, so these are the steps, guys, that you need to follow if at all you really need to start the phone accessory business in 2025. Listen, a phone accessory business is a business that is booming right now. it's a very good business. It is scalable. It can make you millions of money. Okay? What you need to do, you don't need to start with a lot of thousands of dollars. No. All you just need to do, just a few capital, you start over. And the best you need to do is to just actually follow the instructions that are outlined in this video. And then you're on and dry. Okay? Remember, I started small and I'm growing. I've seen progress. If you can follow what I've told you, see you at the top.